Continuing violence has also escalated the political demands for the resignation of the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and the imposition of President's rule, with both the BJP, the BSP and the RLD uniting in that call. The governor has also sent a very damning report to the centre about the government's inability to control the violence. The Home Ministry says that they're now monitoring on a 12-hour basis the situation in UP. But a combative Akhilesh Yadav has hit back, claiming that he's done the best he can to control the situation.
जर्नलिस्टों से लेकर के बहुत महत्वपूर्ण लोगों ने भी बातचीत की है.
Under attack but combative.
सभी लोगों को मैंने भरोसा दिलाया सरकार की तरफ से कि जो मुजफ्फरनगर में हुआ है वो नियंत्रण में आएगा. ऐसे ही राजनीतिक दल लगातार ये प्रयास में कोशिश में हैं कि जहां कहीं छोटा विवाद भी हो उसको बढ़ाते हैं लोग.
The UP Chief Minister chose to say this after a call from the Prime Minister and at a Hajj event. Apart from condemning the violence and taking steps to restore peace, the Prime Minister assured Akhilesh Yadav that the centre will extend all required assistance to Uttar Pradesh in tackling the situation. This despite a strong report from the governor accusing the Akhilesh Yadav government of failing to preserve communal harmony. The centre claims they had warned the UP government.
On the day when this meeting was going on in the Kaval place where the incident has taken place, that day also by about 12:30, I talked to Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh that the tension is arising, we have to be alert.
Legally and administratively, the UPA government doesn't even need a governor's report to impose President's rule. But the focus is not on imposition of central rule. Politically, it understands that the Samajwadi Party is a crucial ally of the UPA government, and the focus instead is on restoring normalcy in the state.
The opposition, BJP, BSP and Ajit Singh are united in their call for President's rule in Uttar Pradesh over the collapse of law and order. But their political reasoning was different.
राजनीतिक दबाव में उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस और उत्तर प्रदेश के शासन को विभेदकारी आचरण करना पड़ता है.
Why send Shah here? It's a message. First place he visits is Ayodhya. Then he goes to Mathura. So, of course, BJP wants this and so does SP.
सबसे पहले ये अवगत कराना चाहती हूँ कि बीएसपी की पिछली सरकार के 5 वर्षों के शासन काल में सांप्रदायिक दंगे व तनाव से पाक साफ एवं भय मुक्त वातावरण में और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को भी मैं समझती हूँ कि अपनी जिम्मेवारी को ईमानदारी निष्ठा से निभाना चाहिए.
This is Akhilesh Yadav's first public appearance after the Muzaffarnagar riots, which has left several dead and many injured. His own father, Mulayam Singh Yadav, has had to step in and do damage control. And with the governor's report actually raising serious concerns about the communal harmony in the state, the young chief minister is under tremendous pressure to act decisively. With camera person Rajesh Gupta in Lucknow, this is Anand Zanani for NDTV.